What's good, guys? On today's video, we are going to talk about the Trend Meter V2. Okay, guys, as you guys know, Trusted Signals is the #1 strategy and indicator company in the world. And right now, we have been doing some crazy development on the back end. Plus, you guys have me for a video a day, every single day this year. So make sure that you guys hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button, because your boy is really getting to it. Now, in today's video, I want to go ahead and obviously talk about Trusted Signals V3. It's been steady banging out TP after TP after TP, and we have some great results inside the Discord. So make sure you guys click the link in the description and join. We have the Trusted Signals V2 overlay and the V2 Trend Meter. Now, keep in mind that we also have a bot on the way, which leads me to my main thing about this video. Obviously, we are doing some crazy development and we need all the help that we can. Right now, for limited times, you can use code V3Beta and you're going to go ahead and get everything that you see in this video plus future videos for $4.99 lifetime. The reason why this is so important is because soon, once Automated Trader releases their API and all that stuff, I do not believe we can go ahead and charge that low anymore. So what we are thinking is to have our indicators on a bronze, silver, and gold level. And essentially, with the bronze and silver, you're going to get the indicators / overlays. And if you want to go ahead and get the bots, right, we have a bunch of bots in the works for you guys. If you want to see backtest results like this and know exactly what you're doing on the charts, right? Obviously, you guys can see here an overlay is very profitable. We have a buy here, TP1, TP2, TP3. But of course, if you backtest, you're going to be able to go ahead and see all of this and see exactly how profitable it is before actually running it on Automated Trader. And if you guys don't know what Automated Trader is, it's the place where you're taking all of your TradingView signals and making it automated. They're releasing their API very soon. They're going to have an update. And of course, if you want to go ahead and get Automated Traders lifetime, you guys can use code ChrisP as well. Now, straightforward to the Trend Meter. Okay, if you guys are not familiar with the Trend Meter, essentially there is a few different things within the actual oscillator and Trend Meter that basically gives you the ability to spot whether or not the market is going to be bullish or bearish. And you can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines in the oscillator, and we have a bunch of new features in the new one, right? So of course, I just wanted to go ahead and show you side by side the old one. The old one is not necessarily that customizable, right? But when we're talking about what we're doing now, not only are we getting earlier entries, all right, we're actually going to go ahead and update this with the overlay to give you guys entry signals and money management, okay, utilizing the Trusted Signals signature money management and risk and rules and all that stuff, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just exit that. We don't need this one back on the charts. But today I want to go ahead and talk about a little bit behind the scenes of the overlay, right? Because obviously, if you guys already know about V3 is jam-packed with a bunch of different rules, regulations, right? Super customizable. And this is very customizable as well. Now you can see us on the NAS 100 chart on the 1 hour. We're only going to go ahead and ride the buys. But obviously you can see here when this trend starts, we have a bearish pattern. And I want to go ahead and go into some of the settings, right? Because I do believe that this tool is going to be for a lot of users. And once you learn how to use Trusted Signals V3, you can pretty much learn how to use this as well. And the reason being is because it has essentially a lot of the different features from V3, such as stop loss inputs, trailing stop, right? We have take profits, general alerts, and then some customizable settings as well, right? Now, smoothing length, this is the different trends. So essentially what I really want to go ahead and show you guys is this. When we're taking these trades, right now we have it on a trusted buy. Notice how there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are all lighting up blue, okay? And when it is bearish, they're all lighting up red. So this is a very strong indication that the market is moving in the direction that it's supposed to. Whether it's bearish or bullish, it's going to go ahead and essentially just let you guys know, right? So from this moment right now, for this specific overlay, I only have it on buys because for me, when I use the signals for automated trader, I plan to just do longs only so that way I can catch the biggest moves, right? So for example, with me, I'm going crazy in crypto and I want to catch when we get those 50Xs and those 100Xs on some lower cap, lower tier, cryptos, right? Now, keep in mind that you can also, change your risk to reward ratios. You can do a lot of different things, just like in V3. Now, the main things right here is this, right? So essentially, you can get more alerts if you go ahead and lower your mode, right? And I don't want to go ahead and dive too crazy in this. I just really want to let you guys know that Trusted Signals is doing everything in its power to bring you guys not only profitable tools, but tools that are working well in any market and any chart, right? Our main goal is right now to make all of our indicators into strategies so that way they're back testable, so that way you guys know what you're getting into before you're getting into it. Keep in mind that with Automated Trader, within the next week or so, once they release the API, all of the videos every single morning are going to be based upon the live trades that the robots took, right? And you guys commented it down on my last video on what you guys want to see. Notice how I'm making a video on the trend meter because there was more comments about the trend meter. They really, I think that this is a powerful tool, but I know that you guys do as well. And when we're talking about how customizable it is, right? If you guys want to go ahead and get all of these to go ahead and have the same confluence, it's trusted. And then if you wanted to go ahead and get a strong one, then it's less, right? So you're going to go ahead and see here with the overlay. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Well, let me actually do it with this one better. So that way it's more visual because you're going to see it on the actual charts itself. Okay, so notice right here, these are the strong buys, right? So now we have some strong buys come in there and we have some trusted buys. So not only are you going to go ahead and get more trades, right? And remember that when this is all back testable, it's going to be very, very easy to find which one is more profitable on what charts, right? Because obviously if I go down here and I go back to trusted, it's going to have to be all of these in confluence in order to give the trade. Okay, let me go ahead and go back here. I keep on doing this on the actual top overlay. And if you're asking me if I would have both of these, I probably wouldn't. But you notice how that in the overlay, I can only take specific alerts, right? So for example, if I just want to go ahead and get buys, I can get buys. But if I go to the overlay and I want to also get shorts, I can also do that as well, right? If we go ahead and get shorts, you notice that when it loads, now we're also going to go get sells on the specific, and I apologize. I'm in a snowstorm and my internet is trash right now. So sell TP1, right? So for sells, obviously you're going to go ahead and see that. Now we just got into a sell and this is exactly how it looks. As soon as the actual trend meter or the overlay fires with a bearish trend, we have entry price, TP1, TP2, TP3, right? And then stop loss. And then of course you can have trailing stops and all that good stuff. So this is a great live look at what this is going to look like on your charts and how it's going to go ahead and play out, right? Now, keep in mind that you can also take these manually with the overlay. And that's the reason being, right? Essentially what we want to go ahead and do is make you a lot of money for free. And then you join the bronze, then you join the silver, and then eventually you join the gold because you can see how powerful our tools are, okay? This is literally us live in a trade right now, and we're seeing exactly how it looks, right? Right now, the markets are just opening. We're bearish, so we have a bearish on the trend meter on the 1 hour, and now we enter into a sell. And keep in mind, like I always say with Automated Trader, it would have just fired your alerts for you because all of these can be customized for alerts for your automated trading solutions, right? So that's about it, guys. I'm going to make a video a day. Like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see, and I will go ahead and make that for you guys. Until the next video, mad love. I have a lot of videos for you guys. Automated Traders releasing very, very soon the updated API. And from there, we're going to be rocking and rolling. I can't wait for you guys to see what we have in store. Much love, guys. Trusted Signals V3 Beta. Use that code, $400.99 lifetime. Doesn't get better than that. All right, guys. Peace.